All right, we got a beautiful JAYCO, J-Flight, one of my favorite floor plans right here. LED lighting, the #1 selling trailer, JAYCO, and you'll see why. 2 ACs, a big floor plan. Look how nice. This turns into a sleeper. You got fireplace. Love this floor plan. Cold AC, super nice. We inspect everything, free shipping, free delivery. But look at this. Oh, so cold, so cold. King bedroom, a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Look at this closet. Look at this. You can put a washer and dryer if you need to.